Location, Hanga, Isla de Pascua, Easter Island. Best if you're going to Easter Island. Avoid if you want to join a private tour and sail there instead. Distance to Holy Cross Church of Rapa Nui. A cab ride into town will only take about 10 minutes and cost 12,500 pesos. There is no public transportation on Easter Island, but another option is to walk. Mataveri Airport is the most remote airport in the world, and LATAM is the only carrier operating its flights. In the 1980s, NASA enlarged the single runway to use as a U.S. space shuttle abort site, but how? The airport is solely for tourism. Flights only go to or from Santiago or Tahiti. After landing, you can purchase your ticket to the Rapa Nui National Park at the small Mau Henu'a's airport office. However, you can buy your ticket later at their office on Atamu Tekena Street, thus saving yourself time waiting in a long line.